Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the second attempt of the assassination of former President Trump. So as you know, it just happened recently, maybe a couple hours. And according to this post on X by Nick Sorter, officials believe that the shots fired at the Trump International Golf Club were intended for former President Donald Trump, according to sources familiar on the matter, CNN. Right, so again, this is not the first time that they tried this. So they tried it on July 13th. So we can go to that one. If you guys watch the news, when he was giving the speech at the rally, right, on July 13th, and the guy got on the roof and they shot him, and it actually hit the president's ear, right? But thank God, they were able to shoot down the suspect and kill him. But the first time, okay, well, that was maybe a mistake or that was unprepared for. Okay, we have even the CIA, FBI, they are trying to blame each other and even the local police, you know what I mean? But I think, honestly, the CIA should be responsible for these matters. But moving on to this one right here. So now, again, with how can somebody get too close to the candidate who's running for the president? So how many tries are they going to attempt before they actually take down, Mr. Trump, right? So this is getting scary, guys. So we live in a democracy country where, we don't have to be scared of our life. But right here, he's the former president, and now he's running for the president. He got attempted twice. So this is really crazy, guys. So that's pretty much for the news, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Be safe.